So now we're going to draw out the schema, and sorry for this bad screen capture. It's the best I can do. And to do that, I'm going to look at my tables that I've created. And I created a customers table. And so I do customers. And customers had CID and C first, right? And then the next table I created, CID and C first, the next table I created was items. And so I created items over here. And items had item ID and then item name. What did I call it? I called it items item. I called it item. Perfect. And the next table I created was orders. And so orders had order ID. And then what else do you know you're going to have in orders? You're going to have customer ID. And we're also going to have, no, I'm just going to blow on past that. We're going to have order date. Because this is just the order. For items, I might want to capture quantity. And then the last thing I ordered was like I needed, so customer, one customer can be associated with many orders, right? And then we need to connect orders and items. And so we need some table here, and I called it order items. Maybe line items, right? Line items would have been a better name, but I already created the tables. And so order items, ID, and then it's going to be associated with an order. And then we're going to have an item ID. So one order could have many line items. That's better, line items, right? One order could have many line items. And one item could be, you know, on many different line items. So, and then here, if we wanted to, we could put in quantity. How many of those did you get? So I'm just checking order items. We had that, we had that, we had that. So that's your schema. Good, yeah? I'll take a picture of it and put it in our notes.